Ever wondered how people create those perfect letter-sized documents, flyers, or printables in Canva? The ones that fit exactly on a standard sheet of paper? Well, you're about to learn how to do it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open Canva and head over to the home page. Instead of choosing a preset template, look at the top right corner for the Custom Size button. Click on it. A small window will appear asking for your design dimensions. Now, type in 8.5 for the width and 11 for the height. And make sure the unit is set to inches. That's the standard US letter size, perfect for print materials like posters, reports, or worksheets. Once that's done, hit Create New Design. And just like that, Canva opens a blank page in 8.5 by 11 inches. You can now start designing, add your text, images, shapes, and colors using the tools on the left. Canva makes it super easy to drag and drop elements wherever you want. If you already have a design you want to resize instead, here's a quick tip. Open your existing project, click on the Resize button in the top toolbar, enter 8.5 by 11 inches, and hit Copy and Resize. Just keep in mind, this feature is available for Canva Pro users only. Once your design looks perfect, don't forget to download it. Click Share. Download, choose PDF print if you want high quality for printing, and you're done. That's all it takes to create an 8.5 by 11 inch design in Canva. Quick, simple, and ready to print beautifully. If you found this helpful, stick around for more easy Canva and design tutorials that make your creative process faster and more professional.